Hey guys, this is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got an extremely rare truck to show you this afternoon. It's a 2014 Peterbilt glider kit. It's heavier spec with a 6MZ 550 cat, 18 speed, 14 fronts, 46 rears, full lockers, and only 434 on the clock. I've gotten it hot. Gonna do a full walk around, show you old pressure, blow by, show you everything that you want to see as if you were standing here. Let's get started. I'll show you all the cosmetic stuff as well. That one's got a crack in the fender there. From the inside out, it does have a blemish there in the hood. Blow by looks good. Minor scratches there on the side. It's a double frame. The frame has been repainted at one time. You can see a little bit of the old dimples there in the frame. Air track suspension. Backside of the fuel tank there, and you can see on the, it's a good body guy worked that out, but it does have a dent there. Or let it ride, either way. It's gonna be a good work truck for somebody. They may not care that much about it, but it does look awfully good to have that blemish. Interior's clean. These type of trucks are just hard to find, considering they're not building glider kits anymore. Something with a cat power and beefy like this. There's your lockers. It's operating temp there, great oil pressure, smooth through the RPMs. Sounds good on the high side. you got questions on this one or anything else that we've got, definitely feel free to give me a shout. 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.